Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Google Drive file links in Microsoft Excel. So here in this case I want whenever a new file is uploaded in my Google Drive, automatically the link and the details of that file should be added in my Microsoft Excel account as a new row. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my Google Drive account with my Microsoft Excel account. And to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here Pabbly Connect works on two principles, that are trigger and action. So here our trigger application will be Google Drive and our action application will be Microsoft Excel. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here you can see my Google Drive folder with the name photographs, and in this case I want whenever a new file is uploaded under this folder, automatically the link and the details of that file should be added in my Microsoft Excel sheet as a new row. So here you can see my Microsoft Excel sheet which I have created with the name photographs, and here I have taken two fields such as file name and file link. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my Google Drive with my Microsoft Excel account. So here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button that is given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as add Google Drive file links in Microsoft Excel. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name Add Google Drive file links in Microsoft Excel. And here you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here for our trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Drive and my trigger event as new file in a specific folder, so that whenever a new file is uploaded in that folder, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response. And now to connect my Google Drive with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this add new connection. If your Google Drive account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and now here it is asking me to select the folder or subfolder. So here for selecting a folder, let me take you back to my Google Drive. And here you can see I have created a folder with the name photographs. And here in this case I want whenever a new file is uploaded under this folder, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response. So now let's move back to Pabbly window. And here I'm going to select my folder as photographs. So now here after selecting my folder, what we are going to do is that we are going to upload a new file under this specific folder. So for that, let me take you to my Google Drive account. And here under this folder, I'm going to upload a new file by clicking on this file upload button. So here I'm going to select an image which is named as flowers. So here I'm going to upload this file. And here you can see we have successfully uploaded the file with the name flowers. So now let's go back to Pabbly window. And after uploading a new file, we are going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the web content link. That means this is the file link which we have uploaded. So now let's try to open this file in our browser. So here the file easily got downloaded because here in my Google Drive, I have already updated my folder settings by clicking on my folder name. And from here we have to click on this share. And from here you have to select this share button. And here I have given a general access, that is anyone with the link. So by giving this access, anyone can view the uploaded file using the link. So here to share your files, this is a necessary step that you have to perform. So now after doing this, moving back to Pabbly window. And here you can see we have received some other information such as the file title named as flowers.jpg. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger step. Now let's move to action step. And here I'm going to select my action application as Microsoft Excel. And my action event as add row to worksheet, so that whenever a new file is uploaded in my Google Drive, automatically the link and the details of that file should be added in my Microsoft Excel sheet as a new row. And now to connect my Microsoft Excel account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Microsoft Excel account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Microsoft Excel. Here I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So now after building a successful connection, moving forward, and now here it is asking me to select my workbook. So as I've already shown you that I have created my Microsoft Excel workbook with the name photographs. So moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to select my workbook name as photographs. After selecting the workbook, automatically this drive ID will be updated. So now moving forward, and now here for this worksheet I'm going to select sheet 1. And now here it is asking for column A and column B values, that are file name and file link. So basically these are the fields which I have entered in my Microsoft Excel sheet. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my Google Drive. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever a new file is uploaded in my Google Drive, automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to search for the file name. Here I'm going to map the file name. And now here I'm going to map the file link. So now here after entering all the required data, here I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. So now let's go and check our Microsoft Excel sheet. And here you can see we have successfully received a new response here where we have received the file name and also we have received a file link. So with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to upload a new file under that specific folder in my Google Drive. So for that, let me take you back to my Google Drive account. And here I'm going to upload a new file by clicking on this file upload button. Here I'm going to select the file. And here you can see we have successfully uploaded a new file with the name Human Like Robot. So now let's go and check our Microsoft Excel sheet. Here I'm going to refresh this window. And here you can see after refreshing also we haven't received any response here. That is because here the Google Drive is a pooling based application. That means it will capture the new response in next 10 minutes. So now let's wait for some time here. So now it's been some time. So now let's go and check our Microsoft Excel sheet. And here you can see we have successfully received a new response here where we have received the new file name and the new file link. So with this we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Google Drive and our action as Microsoft Excel, so that whenever a new file is uploaded in our Google Drive, automatically the link and the details of that file will be added in our Microsoft Excel sheet as a new row. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.